do love you, puppy. So, as always, it is time for another Dora adventure. Today, I'm going out with the Greenlaning group. I've been out with them a few times before. They're a lovely bunch of people. And we are going up to Thrapston, kind of near Kettering, for a bit of a day out. So, I'm kind of looking forward to it. I've only done quite big trips with Dora recently. So, obviously, Scotland, Wales earlier this year, and then I did a trip kind of around Oxfordshire and all that area only a couple of weeks ago. So it will be really nice to just have a little nice day out in the countryside with some like-minded people and my disco, my little Dora, or big Dora I should say. I have a guest joining me for today, which is going to be really funny. It's my dad. So ever since I bought Dora, in fact Dad was the one that test drove Dora, he's been a little bit in love with her, I think, and it's been something that he's never been into, off-roading and stuff like that. And we actually did, my dad, my brother who is in videos as well, and I did a 2-day off-road driving course, which was awesome, and we learned how to winch and all those other cool things, and Dad massively enjoyed it. Anything to do with driving through water, he absolutely loves as well. I think it makes him think like he's Indiana Jones, which is pretty cool. So my dad's coming today. Oh, hi Watson. Good. So yeah, it should be a really good day out. Dad hasn't driven Dora since the off-road driving experience, where unfortunately she got a bus tyre. Hi. Oh, hello. Yeah, okay. It's your rope you want to show everyone today. It's not a very nice rope. That's a bit gross. So, so obviously my little two fairy creatures, this one's affectionately known as General Grabber. Watson will be coming with us. Scout's going to be coming with me, obviously, because he's my little epileptic boy. And we're going to do some Greenlaning, which should be awesome. I don't think my dad knows the difference between off-roading and Greenlaning, so he might be expecting something a little bit more extreme than it is, but who knows, it could get really extreme, like my last drive, which we thought was going to be kind of a sedate drive through the countryside, and got more than a little scratchy. So looking forward to it. Should be a nice day, should be a good day out. Are you looking forward to it, Watson? No thoughts, just vibes? Good, that's good. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Even though you're actually feral. Hi. Hello, my little feral one. Yeah. You looking forward to going Greenlaning? Are you? Are you my little off-road baby? Yeah. Good boy. No, I don't need to lick my ear. My ears are clean. Yours probably aren't though, because you're disgusting. Hello.
I'm glad you're driving this.
It is a little bit scratchy, I would say.
Yeah.
This is as bad as it was when I did the lane with Matt. Right, this is quite rutty. I'm going to have to give it a bit of willing.
Yeah.
Breathe in.
Stuck here, it's going to be a bit of a problem.
Recovering this car is going to be tricky. I've lost the wing, well I haven't lost the wing mirror, but both of them are in. I don't think we need our wing mirrors right now, do we?
I don't think so.
I can't see anything. Have I still got a reef tent? Don't know.
Oh yeah, forgot about that.
mind. I've still got a reef tent.
Good. Nice to know.
Yeah. Ooh. Where are my tyres? Ooh, that's squeaky. Right. Coming through!
You could pick those slows as we go past.
Oh, hang on. We're alright. Right.
You're going to clear that rock?
No.
Do you want me to get out?
Hang on.
Yeah, you're right.
Okay, I just had to put it in access height.
Is this the worst you've had?
Yeah, this is the worst
never
I've
seen
done.
like it.
This is not really drivable.
No.
Are you glad you're not driving?
I'm really pleased I'm not driving.
I mean, Dora's doing it easily.
Yeah, the banter is very good. I mean, these are really deep ruts.
She might need a bit of a polish afterwards.
Yeah.
It's fine. Well, that is a lane. Slow gin, anyone?
These slows are amazing.
I can't see on earth where I'm going. Do you know what? I really wish I'd taken my reef tent off. It's Dad's first attempt at greenlaning.
We haven't hit anything yet. Slows. So if you see any slows, I'll look at the window.
Okay, I'll just catch them as they come in. Well, they said some Fords, and I haven't. Look, they're all going round it, Dad.
Is that it?
Yeah, that's it.
That's my water.
That's your water.
I'm not impressed.
Well, you're the one that kept going on about it. Like, it's a puddle, Dad.
It is.
Yeah.
It's not even a puddle.
It's not even a puddle. And we went round it. They look happy. Well, I mean, they're a bit floppy because of the weather.
At least they've grown a lot more than the
They're a
others.
good height. It's a good solid height for a sunflower, I feel.
It is, yeah. Yeah, really good.
This is a nice little lane.
It is.
Look at these little chairs. Oh, look, you could have gone over there. You can't go over there, Dad.
No.
Looks fun though. That's very odd, isn't it? Part of me would want to go over that. Mark would be like, let's go over it. I'd be like, no, let's not. Yeah, go on, Dad.
Yeah.
You can do it. Easy. That's your off-roading part of the day done. Hope you enjoyed that. Yeah, you're right.
Oh dear, you've come up with gearbox fault.
Oh, that's fine. Keep driving.
Have you seen that before?
Yeah.
What does it mean?
Don't know. I love that. You're like, so what was wrong with it? Don't know. Ooh!
What was that?
That was the branch on my roof tent.
Is it still there?
Probably. It's fine, it's because I'm scanning the car.
Are you scanning it?
Yeah.
Oh, right. What, for diagnostics?
Yeah.
To see what the gearbox thing is?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Look at me doing Land Rover stuff. Aren't you proud of your daughter?
Absolutely.
Doing Land Rover-y things. I mean, when it comes up with the faults, I'm not going to know what they mean. But I'm going to look like I know what I'm doing.
Yeah.
And that's what
you never
matters.
know.
3 faults. Fault details. Upshift transmission control module, park input circuit transmission control module, lost communication with parking brake control module. And then I'll just have to clear down the fault codes once the car's stopped.
Yeah. It's made my day.
There you go, you can go home happy now.
Oh, that was great.
Yeah, you think your wheels are straight and they're really not. It is so handy having that 4x4 screen.
Very useful.
Because even when you're thinking, I think I'm straight,
Yeah.
you can be like, I'm really not
It
actually.
happened to me back there.
It's a little bit scratchy.
I wonder if there'd be any paint left by the time we get back.
Doesn't matter, still white.
Ooh, this is
A bit ratty.
quite nice,
I'm
yeah.
going to go this way. I'm going to go in here.
Take the right ruts.
Yeah. Oh. This has actually been a really nice track. Apart from the super scratchy one,
Yeah.
it's actually been quite a nice variety of things, hasn't it?
Yeah, it has. Yeah.
Ooh, muddy.
Oh, take over. I want the mud. I want the water.
You had the water.
That was a good water.
You
actually.
liked that.
It was quite good.
I'm just going to lower the suspension. Does it make you want to buy a Land Rover?
Yeah, I think they're great.
loved Dora from the first time I got her though.
Yeah, I do.
As soon as you drove her, you were like, I quite like this car.
Yeah. Well, I gave it a good old thrash.
You did? I remember I've had her a year.
It's amazing, isn't it?
Yeah. I'm going to make her a cake. A party hat on her.
Dora has a party.
Yeah. Has to be quite a big party hat. She's not a small girl.
Sloes everywhere.
Look, you keep going on about the bloody
More
sloes.
sloes?
Yeah, but I don't see you picking them. But we've seen so many sloes and not once. Have you picked one slow?
No.
No. But I bet you anything.
It's a good year for them.
It is, and I bet you anything. When it comes to Christmas time, and I go, what would you like to drink, Father?
Yeah.
You're gonna be like, oh, I'd love some slow gin. And I'm gonna be like, well, you didn't help me when I was driving my Land Rover through a bush to get them.
Look at this. We're back to square one, aren't we?
But I love how less bothered we are about it.
Yeah, well, we
like,
scraped it all anyway.
Oh well.
That area must be having a hard time.
They're very bendable for a reason.
Yeah. Oh, look at those slows there.
You're doing it deliberately now. You're not getting any slow gin at Christmas. Just wanted to get through it. Just wanted to get through it.
It was terrifying. All these branches come towards me. Oh, look at that one. That's amazing.
I'm not talking to you anymore. Get your own Land Rover to collect your own slows. How long does this go on for?
Might want to stop your wipers, I don't know.
I don't know. I don't know whether it's
They might
better
get torn off.
Should we just... We don't need to see where we're going anyway.
No, we
it's
don't.
fine.
Yeah. Just a bit worried if the branches might catch them.
This is very low and I have a very tall tent.
Ooh, yes, it's like an archway, isn't it? It seems to be clearing it.
Right. Well, that was emotional.
We seem to have leaves all over our windscreen for some reason.
I don't know how they got there. I love it how I look in my mirrors. I don't know why. It makes no difference. Oh, Dora. I do feel like I've abused you a little bit today.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna push that back out. So, your first ever Greenlaning experience.
Very good. It's excellent.
What was the high point?
Oh, the river.
The river. And what was the low point?
Actually, going through all those bushes at the start was quite fun.
I mean, it is when it's not your car. I'm surprised the roof tent held up as well as it did.
Is that the worst you've been through?
Yeah. Go home and tell Mum you would buy a Land Rover.
Yeah, get rid of your I-10.
Yeah.
Get paid.
Mum would be fine with that, I'm sure.
Discovery. Oops.
Right, we're done.
Yeah. That's it.
That's
In the
that.
fields.